So today I'm gonna be baking some turkey, baked turkey. I'm gonna have some veggie, and I'm gonna slap it in the oven. So first thing I'm gonna do, these are the seasonings that I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna be using Lawry's seasoning salt. I'm gonna be using Badia complete seasoning, garlic, onion powder, paprika. Let's go. So first thing first, I got my veggie chopped up already. I got orange pepper, red pepper. I got onions. I got potatoes. I got string beans at the bottom. You just can't see it. And I got, what else I got? Carrots. So we're going to season this up. Slap me some butter in the pan. I like to put butter at the bottom of the pan. I'm going to, just seal the bottom with that butter. So let me go ahead and season this up for y'all. So right now we're going to go ahead and season the vegetables up. We're going to go ahead and we're going to throw some garlic in here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw some onion powder. Then we're going to put some paprika. Then we're going to go ahead and dash some a little bit of complete seasoning on it. Then we're going to take it easy on the Lawry's seasoning salt. We don't want to put too much. Now it's time to get your hands a little dirty. You gotta mix this up. Get it all nice and mixed. Now that you got it looking nice and looking lovely, we're gonna come over here. Got the vegetable right here. Bam! Just like that. Gonna make sure it's spread it out. Now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna season this. Same process of seasoning. So I'm gonna go ahead and season this. I'm gonna join you right back. So now we got this seasoning. Time to get your hands dirty again. Time to get your hands dirty. Get your hands dirty, folks. And we're gonna slap it in here. Gonna slap it. Slap it in here. Bam. 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 Thank you, ma'am. Now we're gonna get the olive oil. We're gonna throw some on top. So I'm gonna be cooking this yellow rice, but I don't feel like cooking. I'm gonna ask somebody else to cook it. So bam! I don't know where it lands. We're gonna put some olive oil over the turkey. Yeah. Now we're gonna throw this bad boy in the oven and we're gonna let it bake for about 2 to 20 hours. About 2 to 3 hours. So that's it, I'm all done. This was in the oven for an hour and 40 minutes. Then I took the top off and let it broil for another 10 minutes. There you go, my peoples.